Hi everyone, Santa came early and I am so excited. If you've been following Sundara Nails for a while, you know there is a Christmas gel mystery box. I thought we would drink some coffee here and no other than the Santa's Helper cup and dive into what is inside the large Christmas mystery box. All right, so if you are not looking for any spoilers and you are saving this for a day when it's Christmas or you're just waiting to open it, you do not want to see what is in this box, okay? I'm just going to throw it out there. We are going to go through everything in this box. So this is your warning. Now is the time to exit out if you do not want to see what is in this package. Also, we do have our regular scheduled video today, scheduled for 7 p.m. Central Time. All right, so here is the box. It is so cute. It is definitely giving me all these warm, fuzzy Christmas vibes. Also, I really like that there's a sticker that tells you which end to open it up on. Now, you can see I'm too excited and I'm just like trying to open this box, but there's a perforated line right there and I finally noticed it after a few moments of me really prying into this box. I just thought that was really funny. But here it is, and my heart melts anytime you see like confetti or just this like decorative paper. It screams holidays. And this box right here is the perfect Christmas gift to give to yourself because it is amazing. And plus, you deserve to get a little treat yourself. I mean, holiday seasons are busy. You're always worried about other people. This is a great way to just get yourself something, and it's definitely worth it. All right. So I don't know where to start in this box. So we're going to start off with this little stocking guy right here. And we're just going to dive right in. I love those mints. They're like buttery. They're very just like a nostalgic touch. And that stocking is adorable. And then I was like so overwhelmed. I was like, I don't know where we're going with this. But I decided we're going to go in first with this lovely stocking. And this stocking was like cram-packed full of goodies. So you have this Ghirardelli caramel chocolate snowman, and a mint, a candy cane, and then you have some really awesome tools here for your nails, and those gems are stunning, like completely stunning. So I'm really excited to play with those. But overall, that is the first fun thing in there, and that stocking is so cute, and you can repurpose that stocking as well. So let's continue diving in here. So now we have this little bag, which is adorable. It is a polar bear. It is everything. And so while we're opening up this bag right now, so this is a gel mystery box with Sundara Nails. There are two tiers. There is a small box and then there is a large box. This is the large box and there's very limited boxes left and they all were shipped out and people are starting to get them. So if you want anything from Sundara Nails regarding this gel mystery box, do not sleep on it. All right, this is a flower UV gel. The packaging is, I'm just like lost for words. It is so pretty. The attention to detail is amazing. I'm super excited to play with those. We're not going to open them up or anything. We'll save like the swatches and all that stuff for you to do so you have a little surprise on your own. Plus, we're going to use a lot of these products here on my channel, so you will definitely see them in action. So the next thing in here is a file. These files are fantastic. They are just really awesome, and I love that that's included in this box. And now I kind of have a feeling what this is because if you got the advent calendar last year, it was a really awesome pudding gel advent calendar, which you can still get, but it came with a brush, the flat brush. And if you've been watching my channel for a while, you know I'm obsessed. When I say obsessed with this flat brush, I'm obsessed, like next level. I use it for pudding gels, I use it for builder gels, I use it for applying decals, I use it for cleaning up my nails, anything you can think of. That brush is golden, and I love that it's pink because I have the red one. So I'm so excited. All right, so the next thing in here, I don't even know where to start, so we're just going to start pulling everything out now. And that little guy right there was heavy, just so you're aware. That little guy right there, I mean, he's not so little. That was super, super heavy. All right, so we're going to dive right into the next item here now that we have everything laid out. Now this bag is cram-packed full of goodies. It was very hard to pull out of this bag. I love the attention to detail to all the little like wrapping paper and tissue paper. So this first thing is some Christmas charms. They are very elegant. I cannot wait to play with those. We have one of these wheels here. If you watch Queen Diana 27, she swatches on those, so that wheel is super fun. Then we have this amazing like flaky goodness right here, which I cannot wait to play with it, especially over that green that it showed in that image on the packaging. And then we have something that I love so much, and I hope you do too, pudding gels. Now, if you haven't tried a pudding gel, this is a great way to try them. They're buttery, they're velvety, they're very opaque, they're amazing. And then we have this super adorable Rudolph keychain in here as well. And then we have another thing in here, which was wrapped, which I was completely shocked by. So right now I was like, oh, everything's out of the bag. Nope, it's the gift that keeps on giving. We have a few more goodies in here. So we have a magnet, which is like, I would say an Easter egg of something that may be in here if we have a magnet. And then we have these really fun Christmas stickers, which are just classic, and they're just gonna make any Manny for that season really bring to life that holiday spirit. Okay, this thing that was wrapped, it was like killing me. I really wanted to open it so bad, and I'm so excited. These are nail art gels, and they are the perfect Christmas colors with those bright green and a red. I cannot wait. You can use those for so many things. The next item in here, it's a glove to protect your hands from like UV, which I really like that they included those in here. I always wanted to try a pair. And now this hefty little guy right here. This is big, it's heavy, and I'm so excited because it is a gel collection. So you get a gel collection in this box, and it's a new collection, never before seen. And there's a little directional sheet in here, a pamphlet, and of course, you know me, I'm that girl that does not read directions. So I was like, oh, whatever, I'll just push that to the side. But that is just showing us how to use that product. All right, so these are amazing. Are you ready for this? These are Aurora gels, but are they not just Auroras? I'm like lost for words. They are magnetic Aurora cat eye gels. Say what? Isn't that like, that is mind blowing to me, right? I'm just like, you can tell I'm very excited, and I hope you are just excited watching this. And if you have a little like missing out kind of feelings right now, you can jump over to Sundara Nails right now and still get this large box. I know there's only a few left, but this is everything in the box, and I love just like that little Christmas paper right there. But this is everything in the large box, and you can use a discount code as well, which I do have linked in that description box as well. So if you're going to order it, you might as well save a little bit. You can use my code Mallory10 to save. I'm gonna eat this chocolate right away because it was taunting me the whole entire unboxing. I wanted that chocolate so bad, but you cannot go wrong with this box. It's the perfect holiday treat that you deserve for the holiday season. And don't forget to think about yourself and self-care. During the holiday season, I know we're all thinking about others, getting gifts for our family, our children, and you might be prepping for Thanksgiving or hosting Christmas. This is a great way to just treat yourself to something that you're gonna love, and you know it's gonna be great quality when it comes to Sundara. Remember, everything from Sundara when it comes to gels are that amazing, gentle, HEMA-free, 21-free formula. So if you've ever had any gel allergies or anything like that, definitely give Sundara Nails a whirl. All right, so if you're interested in this box, I did go ahead and link to the actual shop below in that description box. So just click on that link. It will take you right to this box, and you just select if you want the small version or the large. Again, this was the large version. So I hope you enjoyed this fun holiday unboxing. Stay tuned for the regular scheduled upload for 7 p.m. Central Time, and I'll see you all then.